Hey, Dan Pazzarelli here. Happy Friday. The market ended up down almost 2% today as measured by the SPY ETF. That's the S&P 500. And it was down because we had inflation a little hotter than expected when it came to the month over month and the year over year. And that's the core as well. And, that's not great news. And also just the news about tariffs. The tariffs are spooking people. They expect that can cause higher inflation, which is a reasonable concern. And that can be no good. Now that we know about inflation and what that's effect is, we also need to know what's happening with the jobs, right? Because more jobs, better for the economy. Less jobs is a sign that it's worse for the economy. And we're going to get all that information next week. We got JOLTS. We've got the weekly unemployment on Thursday. And next Friday is the first Friday of April. I don't know how it's April already, but it is. And that means that we get the monthly unemployment report. And that's going to be big news. The word that kind of gets mentioned here or there in some corners of the, people talking about the market is stagflation, which is the worst case scenario. I almost don't even want to say it because I don't want to sound alarmist or worried, but it's something we have to keep in the back of our minds because that is a worst case scenario where inflation is high and the economy is poor. So we're clearly not at that point right now, but that is a fear. And so we have to watch for these employment numbers as we watch the inflation numbers. And as always, what can we do from a positive trading standpoint? Well, from investors, I love selling puts, which I've been doing here, which I look at as a way to acquire long-term holdings. So I don't mind getting assigned even if the stock goes lower. As far as trading goes, it's a wonderful market to be an option trader in. That is for sure. I know a lot of people start their trading careers as investors and are much more comfortable when stocks are going up, but you can trade to the downside if you're an experienced options trader as well. And most traders make most of their money in down markets. So think about that over the weekend. We are currently accepting applications for one-on-one coaching, and we've got quite a number of those in. So if you want to help navigate through this market and you're really serious about making it work, please go to markettaker.com, go to the footer of our website, and click to fill out an application for one-on-one coaching. And our trader success team is going to give you a call. Hope that helps. This is Dan Pazzarelli. Trade smart.